What would happen to the world we know if humans no longer existed? What would happen to our cities if we were to suddenly vanish? Would our concrete jungles survive? Which species will dominate? What will remain of our legacy? Would nature conquer once again? After us, the new nature experience provides the answers. Utilizing the latest in dome projection technology, After Us provides a completely immersive 360-degree digital, audio and visual experience. Upon entering the dome, participants are given headphones to provide an optional narration of the experience. For those not quite ready for a world completely devoid of human life. A recording plays showing the location of the exhibition as it is today. Full of people, civilization. Suddenly, the people on the screen begin to disappear, and the experience begins. From day one, After Us, participants are a witness through time to the changes that unfold around them. Without humans to manage and maintain the manufactured environment, Mother Nature once again takes over. With floods, fires, storms, cyclones, and the passing of time taking a toll on everything man-made. Witness animal repopulation as species return. Find out how our once domesticated animals cope in an environment without us. Days, months, years, and centuries pass. Yet only 15 minutes go by. The participants exit the dome, their shuttle, back to reality. A new appreciation has been ingrained in the participants. They've learned the strength of the wild and the vulnerability of man's creations. A respect has been born. A realization that we are but mere guests for a minute period in history. The team here at After Us is seeking your assistance to make this installation a reality. With an estimated production cost of $200,000 in exchange for your sponsorship, After Us guarantees the inclusion of your company name on promotional materials and merchandise. Be a part of something extraordinary and join the new nature experience. What would happen to the world after us? Let's find out.